2018 Toyota Prius C. The point is, being first on the scene is no guarantee you'll be the best, or the most successful. I mean, just look at electric cars. Plenty of manufacturers were doing all battery models before, and arguably better than Tesla, and every one of them is now parked in Elon Musk's gargantuan shadow. Before full electric there were hybrids, and first to arrive on that particular scene in any meaningful way was Toyota and its awkwardly shaped Prius, back in 2001. And they had that feel to themselves for a while, but soon enough the other manufacturers trotted out hybrid and plug-in hybrid models of their own. And so Toyota shook up the Prius offering, launching the 7-seat Prius V, in the bite-sized, and Yaris-based, Prius C we've tested here, in 2012, hoping to broaden the appeal of its hybrid offerings. Problem is, 2012 was an awfully long time ago, and so Toyota has waved its wand over the aging Prius C for 2018, changing its design, tech offering and interior in an effort to keep it fresh. So, is the Japanese giant still head of the hybrid class? Or has it been beaten at its own game? Is there anything interesting about its design? The good news is that it doesn't look quite so quirky as the full-size Prius. The not as good news is that it's still no beauty contest winner. Not helping matters was the fact our test vehicle was painted in a retina-burning yellow, they call it Hornet Yellow, and it's new for 2018, that looked almost nuclear. Viewed front-on, the blacked-out section of grille and bumper gives the littlest Prius a vaguely manta ray-shaped front end, while the headlights climb both upwards and back into the body, lending a sense of sportiness to this very unsporty hybrid. From the back, the chunky bumper, vertical taillights and rear windscreen spoiler all add a little attitude to the design. Inside, you'll find a small but premium in places space, with a gloss black stereo surround that angles the main controls toward the driver, while the digital driver's binnacle is pushed toward the center of the car, displaying speed, fuel and other key info above the stereo, rather than in front of the steering wheel. How practical is the space inside? Not very. This is a Yaris-based city car, let's not forget. That said, it never feels cramped up front, with enough shoulder and headroom to ensure you feel separated from your fellow passengers, where you'll also find 2 cup holders, and an infuriating USB connection housed in the touchscreen, so your cord dangles from the dash when connected. Climb into the back, and you'll find yourself in a pretty snug space. Sitting behind my own, 5 feet 8 inch, driving position, it's only the scalloped back of the driver's seat that affords me any clear air between my knees and the seat in front, and the space behind my head and the roof lining is minuscule, too. But again, we're talking city car space here, so you can't expect to lounge about back there. The ambience in the back seat leaves a little to be desired, though. The door trim pushes into the passenger space, and the plastics used in the rear are rock hard. There's a single cup holder to share, and a seat back pocket on the rear of the passenger seat, but that's it. There's no vents, USB or power sources. There's no bottle room in the rear doors, either. An easy-access boot space will swallow 260 liters with the 60 hours 40 minutes rear seats in place. And there are 2 ISOFIX attachment points, one in each window seat in the back. Does it represent good value for the price? What features does it come with? We've just spent a week behind the wheel of the Prius C I-Tech, the top model in the 2 variant range, sitting above a cheaper model known simply as the Prius C. At $26,540, it ain't cheap for a city car, and it's $4,000 more than the most expensive Yaris on which it is based. More worryingly, it's only $1,500 cheaper than an Audi A1, and the standard features list is more a novella than War and Peace.